We cannot be there. Go to man. We'll be a worry now. Don't do that here. Don't play that. I really look for maybe this thing. I look for baby. Only say training. Training there. How do you train yesterday? What for train now? The comfortable. And yes, I call there. And then we now the. We are not want to can't tell because someone say, "Me only me only. We are we sinners." I get one saying, "We are we sinners." So me, Obi and not clean, mommy. What must say? You can't show me that you are. For dear God, you understand me? That Basariki wife and talk. You trying to look for someone. That Basariki. You dey follow am. You get what I'm saying? Because in wives, if they catch you, they go beat you. If in wives, they go catch you. If they catch you, they go beat you. I dey tell you. Stop the follow am. Stop the follow am. Nobody can force you say go follow Abbas. Abbas Sarki, you know they love you. You know fine. Abbas, you know the women they love Abbas Sarki. You know the women they love Abbas. You know they love them. Can't they tell you? Can't they do like you have husband? You have who is your husband? Hey. Kopel kununa warino. We are me fresh Sicilian mafama now be catch us say ko kunuwa na we Jimmy Dudu. We Jimmy akokrati say wo abrewati say wo we sing nyina ye say we sima. Now kasa say we sing nyina tutu. Unsho we ni wo mirror mo. Say asho we mirror mo. We ni ma say articulate aka tie no e chair no aye punch aye flat. Sa na we ni ma that no when make me a draw. Who quad say see me drawer. Make me a draw. Me fa pencil. Any bibia can draw. Me di bidie na be draw. Na ma draw nice. Na ma draw. Sa make up now. We no na one na I say e ona Israel for FI echo we ni mu. Jimmy Baba. I dey see life. Or if you say what? Bring it on. Me I like this. Bring it on. I like somebody where if you say crazy, I go show you say yeah, the mental hospital we move inside, go there. Bring it on. I like him. Bring it on. Well, no, respect yourself. You know what I'm saying? Well, respect yourself. I no can't tell you say I dey fuck my cousin. Or I can't tell you say I dey fuck my cousin. That's the only thing I want make you know see. That line you do, it be mistake line. You understand me? I know if you dey fuck your father, if you dey fuck your grandfather, me I know dey fuck my cousin. Because I know can show you my cousin. Who's my cousin? Love you put this yam. You put no in father. You put no love in father. Or you put no love in mother. Go check if the lineage in my family. We Jim Papa. We Jim Papa. You put did that. You won't give the girl pressure. You won't give the girl pressure. Make it look like hey, love is crazy. Hey, Aisha, if you catch you, he go beat you basa. You go you know say you know such people they do all love, you know they talk. You say you know the man people. But if he vex, he be book home girl. He be book home girl, he be Tarzan. Obe say obe boo. And I was squad. Boo. Don't try that girl. You say you talk or she know they talk. This matter self and they talk. Somebody go ask you, so which girl is Shata talking about? Which girl is Shata? Because she not be girl where you won't be famous. She not be girl where you want fame. She not be girl where you said I did look for her for Instagram. Say she did Instagram. I look for her. She said she did watch it. I did look for her. I know this here. And the first time because I want me, you know your matter where you know. Obe boo basa. Obe boo Obe boo Honestly, no way fe. Crouching. Or what so? Or hips. The name ye fe. Like no way fe. Obe boo Obe boo basa. Try no. Wait Jim Papa. One no be catch us on cousin. My baby mother's where they tell you say they get my cousin. Go ask themselves. How sure are they say they get my cousin? How sure say they get cousin? Just say me there me near Bema. On why jam you know? Means now. Now me family got thing what house. Means now. I mean, if I be cut in your water hose. Who see who bear? Obi say okay, we dey make sure. Wow, so Afi, who is it? When you feel like I'm fucking my cousin. Aisha Modi. Aisha Modi. Your father. Don't see him like that. Don't play game like don't play game with me like that. We are me see. Shut up, you are giving hype. Me person hype no. Me person hype no because we go fake Jimmy. I'm giving you hype. So I don't hold you on. You can make money. Me, I make money with my hype. So if you can make money with it, make money with it. Well, Jimmy Papa, Kwasia. You know how much things we man they hear about you. Man they say like, hey, this girl be Yawa girl. And somewhere too they work with her Yawa girl. You want to try bring beef and bring Stoneboy can matter inside and you Stoneboy, me I'm finished. You see where we finish. Everybody know. Me and Stoneboy no get anything. Even my brother, you understand me? The business me and Stoneboy can do, we finish. Me every artist with me and do business like that, we finish. Me and nobody get problem. Me and nobody get matter. Cause I day on my lane. You see my lane a day. Yes, it's a different world. Don't see it like the music world the way you put the inside where they do your nonsense things. We do trap about Facebook. Don't see it like that. Don't even see it like that. Where Jimmy for what's here? Where Jimmy fucking? That's how Nyamana don't do that. Charlie, compare Scabia. Engana me this kana you know the system next time for nipa be sad no. If I say you go comment for so if I say you can talk something you won't do like you won't take play I go slap you. I tell you. If like can't talk something like you know me, you know my mother. Actually, you don't know me for anywhere. Don't even try. Don't even try. You stop myself, you know say me a Chris. So don't even try. Don't even try. Don't even try. Because the love in matter you talk, she get make ready, she go beat you. Love in matter. And about Sadiq wives too. Make ready, cause they go beat you. About Sadiq wives way you go talk blogger say you man. Somebody way you won't help you. You don't get money. You don't get anything. The person will give you car. The person will give you money. Say, oh, you don't get some. So you go beg them. We know all those things. You can't do that. If you go collect money from them, they go down there. If you say you date down, they make people say because say they give you money, make it go do those your nonsense they do for Stoneboy. But if you say we don't know all those things, we know all those things. You understand me? But if just say yeah, man for survive. So some things which man see man for no talk. But I go do a man go come they talk some things where somebody go for say they talk somebody matter. But if you do one. If you do one. Me, I wonder how say that my brother say if he take you say if you're fan, so you talking matter. If I shut you up, if I know the talking matter, say if I shut you up, because you be too bush girl to talk about his career. You be too you not fine to talk about his career. At least if you find small, fine. I shall be fine. Just find small. Be a beautiful woman. Who said Bibi Duru? Meaning who said Bibi? Who said say once now? Just one if I talk then for bring picture. Who said once now? And now I wish I edit this now. Edit that myself. Who said once now? And now giraffe. And now hippopotamus. Who said Bibi? Who said Tatia? Like who said Bibi? Meaning there who said Bibi? Who said Bibi? Say Kakalika. So who said Bibi? Who said Bibi? Say Bibi a cry last stop achino. Who said Bibi? Meaning the word to you, but who said Bibi? To be frank, like you know, everybody in this world know their status. Girls know that me, okay, I have nice body, but I don't have ass. Girls know. Girls, as I say, I mean, makeup. Who your makeup? They also be a the toilet. I ain't now. Who your makeup? Who say toilet? Like me, who are me more like who your face? What must say? Because you know, me who your face? But who there? Me, and I who say use toilet. Me pa no catch you say makeup no. As I say, I can't be saying say, dear no use no. Because that's a toilet. That's a toilet. Who never? Say we come asem. Who come and send now? Now me who say toilet. Who say mincha? Ma mincha toilet. Aisha Modi. Ma mincha toilet. Ma chow toilet. Toilet. So toilet. Me ni yalla pay. Ma me to ma chow bibi. Me ni who say we? Aisha Modi. Aisha Modi who say bibi say. Aisha Modi who say bibi say toilet. Who say toilet? Aisha Modi. Who say toilet? You are look like a toilet. You are look like a toilet, Aisha Modi. You are a toilet. Don't do that. Who's a toilet? Me catch you in there. You are a toilet. Yes, you are a toilet. And sir, what? If you are sitting there, who's a toilet? Now if a man who are down for, who's a toilet? Now if a toilet row, who best friend, who's a toilet? Now if a Sadiana, the who toilet room, whether so clean and now baby. Now if I no classmate. But me for toilet. And Basha Tawa live here. Because you say toilet. Uba many. I will add it. So we have a mixture of toilet. Who's a toilet? You are look like a toilet. You are look like a toilet. You are look like a toilet. Yeah. You know how to make money. If you know how to make money, like you can't ask me how to make money. You call me with my baby mother, they beg me say make I come visit you. You forget. Don't do that. My baby mother know you. That's why sometimes if they do something, they shut up. You understand me? But ask them. Instead, no say me be terrorists. Yeah. I say, yeah, don't do that too. Hey, that's my baby mother. I go tell you. No, you know they tell you things. Don't do that. Don't even try that. Don't even try and make things they look like, you know, you won't enter my zone. Ask my baby mother, I go tell you. Macre na mo. Hey, me a crazy what I did there. Hey, don't do that. Don't play like that. Don't think that what you have done, even I'll have a problem with Stonebwoy. I'm not going to even have a problem with Stonebwoy. Because I have a problem with you long time. The things you talk. Then I shut at you, you're cooking. Then I shut out or you're cooking. Now, no, I bet now those things all you talk. I just keep quiet while they watch you quiet. Once upon a time, just last year, you see, make my baby mother be income. We talk for phone top. Me and you talk for phone. You say, make I tell my baby mother, she's stupid girl. That voice note you say my baby mother, if you say it don't take show me. It don't show me. It don't show me. But my baby mother, ask him, say, when be the day you see me, I hold cocaine for my hand so before. Can't they day there? You can't talk about no matter. If I can't talk so matter, I will slap you, love go beat you. About Sariki in wives go beat you. They go beat you. They go beat you, I tell you. They go beat you. Fuck with Zongo girls. Fuck with Zongo girls. Fuck with them. They go beat you. You know for Accra. Who you know for Accra? Where you go talk people down matter? They go beat you. They go beat you. Here they talk no. Who's a toilet? Who's a toilet? Your surname for be Aisha. Who's a toilet? Aisha. Who's a toilet? Aisha. Who's a toilet? If you don't know, bad man. Who's a cost ya na mu no? Muka say, so cost ya na mu it be me, it be true me. Where Stonebwoy here, you go stop work. Trust me. In my blood, oh. So trust me. It be me. You see the things I go do you. I swear you go stop work. In wife said go tell us make you stop work. In wife said go tell us make you stop work. Cause who's a toilet? Who's a toilet? Aisha, who's a toilet? Wait. Make us say you can't do video. Make us say you can't do video. You won't talk this matter. You won't talk like you did. You won't talk like you get more. Make sure the entire was a toilet. No. Make sure the entire was a toilet. No. And can me kwa boobium. Make kwa toilet. Then Ghana. Na me the toilet na be fi. Make keep it toilet no. Make train for toilet no. Make keep it for wo. Make toilet no. Make keep it for toilet no. For no one the toilet no be few. Make jaru toilet. No one will say. Makofa unianum the abreu. I'm your toilet. I shall say toilet. Don't fool. I mean, don't fool. Don't play. Don't come and show me that nonsense life. Now what's the toilet? Who's a toilet? Toilet. Mucha, I beg. Me toilet no po efe. Me toilet me go believe ko cheno. Efe, me toilet no. First, I have like varieties, assorted type of toilet. I wish I can go somewhere right now and show where the type of toilet I mean. Who's a toilet? Who's a toilet? Meji una my personal like na me near rubber bag mo. Na me da send on WhatsApp. Na my check say Aisha. Who's a we? What Jimmy Papa? Who's a toilet? Aisha, who's a toilet? Who's a toilet? You are like a full toilet package. Trust me, don't do makeup again. If you do makeup, who's a toilet? Anytime you do makeup, remember that I said that me say who's a toilet. So your makeup, they be say ubeba social media. So unim say who's a toilet. Say you say we need no ban. So sorry anapa. My ensure when him na here. Say toilet no. My sure say any. Who's a toilet? Who's a toilet? You makeup, baby, our life more in for the rest of your life. Anytime you do makeup, we can say, "Me makeup." Say, "Who's a toilet?" We your makeup, baby. You be catch say, "Aisha, who's a toilet?" That thing you be come on. Me dey curse we be come on. Aisha, who's a toilet? Who's a toilet rough? Who you feel? Yeah, who you feel? Auntie, yeah, your makeup. Yeah, you use the can't face. A man pe can't face no. Wepo nkofo say me have cast. Wepo nkofo say me have cast. Who they set toilet? They didn't get any. They didn't get any. Jenna. Where they go put it for inside? Yes, who's a toilet? Who's a toilet? It's true. Oh, when come catch a nipper, near my be a nipper to me. Listen. All those who don't understand the English, I'm saying that Aisha Modi is a toilet. I'm not a catch no. Aisha Modi resembles a toilet. She resembles a toilet. Toilet. Bad man. Make nobody come they play with man and can they look like, you know, the way they turn they go and make nobody. Somebody go, make blogger go right. Aisha Modi blast shatter for fucking scars.